Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a way to get fast server speed internet, you're in the right place. Today, I'm bringing you a surprising and simple tutorial on how to connect to an OpenVPN fast default server and set it up on the HTTP custom app. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and educational content. Let's get started. First, go to the Play Store on your device and download the latest version of the HTTP custom app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On the home page, you'll see different protocols available. To continue, tap the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen to expand the menu list, and then click on VPN settings. A new interface will appear. At the top, you'll notice a globe icon with 3 dots. Simply tap on it, and the app will automatically download the default OpenVPN server for you within a few seconds. After the download is complete, you'll see a list of server locations. Choose the server that best suits your needs and click on it. Once the server is selected and imported, just tap the Connect button to establish a fast-speed internet connection. Within a few seconds, the default OpenVPN server will connect successfully, and you'll be ready to browse securely and quickly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.